Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the November 2017 past paper of the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the third paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we're picking up in question 28, which reads y equals p times q to the power x, or q to the power x minus 1. So y equals p times q to the power x minus 1, where p and q are numbers. Y equals 10 when x equals 1. Y equals 0.3125 when x equals 6. Work out the value of y when x equals 3. Okay. So when y equals 10, x equals 1. So let's shove that in and see what we get. So y is 10 is equal to p times q to the power 1 minus 1. Well, that's equal to, so 10 is equal to p times q to the power 0. Well, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So 10 is equal to p times 1. So therefore 10 is equal to p. So p is equal to 10. Okay, so we know that y is 0.3125. So we know that y is 0.3125 when x equals 6. So 0.3125 is equal to p, which we know now is 10, times q raised to the power 5, because 6 minus 1 is 5. So 0.03125 is equal to q to the power 5. So q is equal to the fifth root of 0.03125. So let's shove that in our calculator. Okay, so that's just 0.03125 to the power of, open brackets, 1 divided by 5, and that'll get me the fifth root, and that's 0.5, which is equal to 0.5. Okay, so work out the value of y when x equals 3. So y is equal to 10 times q, which we now know is 0.5, to the power of 3 minus 1, which is 2. So y is equal to 10 times 0.5 times 0.5 is a half times a half, which is a quarter, which is 0.25. So y is equal to 2.5. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.